MicroIQ locks are perfect for your enclosures, storage cabinets, case goods, and lockers. Here's a quick overview of the various MicroIQ lock models. The U-Series is a cam lock replacement, capable of mounting into industry-standard double D holes in both steel and wood enclosures, and can connect to almost any style cam. The C-Series is a core or lock plug replacement, capable of quickly connecting into almost any industry-standard lock or furniture brand listed. The S-Series is a self-locking model featuring a spring bolt latch for automatic relocking upon closure of the door or drawer, eliminating the task of manual relocking. The MicroIQ locks can be configured with a keypad for simple keyless entry. Keyfobs can also be used to make both lock access and management simpler for large lock installations. Additionally, the keyfob access can be time and use limited and can provide conveniently collected audit trails for complete employee accountability. Alternatively, the MicroIQ locks can be configured to be accessed by almost every non-encrypted proximity card format available in the industry. These locks can also be configured to operate via smartphones and NFC, as well as providing lock management functions such as exchanging access and audit trail data with cloud-based servers, preparing MicroIQ locks to be in the wave of the Internet of Things devices. Let MicroIQ Lock help you obtain the industry compliance needed to move your business forward. For more information on the MicroIQ, visit our website at www.microiqlock.com.